30 days ago, I started a little experiment. I wanted to see what would happen if I took all the Bitcoin that I was mining on the GoMining platform and I reinvested it back into power. So I used the auto reinvest feature on my best miner. The idea was to grow my power every single day, and I'm about to show you the results. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I will show you the 30-day results. I will go over some tips if you want to try this yourself and things to avoid. And most importantly, I will let you know, is it really worth it, especially for someone just starting out. So first off, what is auto reinvest? So the auto reinvest feature in the GoMining platform is simply a way to gain more power, to accumulate more terahashes on autopilot. So instead of receiving your daily Bitcoin payout, the payout automatically gets converted into power. This way your mining power will grow every single day, it will compound, and you will not have to invest additional funds in order to upgrade that miner. So 30 days might not sound like a very long time, but with compounding, the results were pretty good in my opinion. Alright, so now we are inside of my account. As you can see, my current power is 80.58 terahashes, but 30 days ago when I first started this challenge, it was way less. If you guys saw the first video, you will know that I have picked this miner right here to auto reinvest all of my profits into, and at the time this miner only had 10 terahashes. And currently, after 30 days, it has a 13.45 terahashes. So in 30 days, I gained an extra 3.45 terahashes, which is not bad at all. And now let's go over to my rewards so you can see exactly what happened and how I was able to accumulate that many terahashes. And now when we click on rewards, you are going to see that every single day for the last 30 days, I reinvested back into that specific miner. So the first day I started this reinvesting challenge, I only had 35.46 terahashes total, and I was making 0.0001749 satoshis every single day. And as you can see, I started accumulating more and more power literally every single day. 35 to 36 to 38 to 41 to 45, 46, 48, and so on. And today at the end of this challenge, I'm over 80 terahashes worth of power, but I had to keep it 100% with you guys. I did not double or triple my mining power by simply auto reinvesting. I did upgrade a different miner pretty much the entire time. This miner right here maybe had like 8 terahashes, 4 terahashes, I do not remember, but right now it is over 48 terahashes. But this miner that I auto reinvested into, I did not do a single upgrade on this miner. The 3.45 terahashes that I gained was purely from auto reinvesting. One thing that I do want to mention, on day 1 of the auto reinvest challenge, I was earning 0.07 terahashes daily, and now at the end of the 30-day challenge, I am getting 0.15 terahashes daily into this miner. So the more I upgrade my other miners, the more power I get on the auto reinvesting feature. And if I held this challenge for another 30 days, instead of earning 0.15, I could probably get it up to 0.4, maybe even half a terahash a day. Just depends on how many upgrades I do on my other miners. So the power of compounding is definitely real. And now here are a couple of tips if you plan on using this strategy. First off, you want to upgrade your most powerful miner. So for this challenge, I stuck with this miner simply because it had 10 terahashes and I wanted to see the exact number. But the best thing that you can do is to auto reinvest into your most powerful miner. That way the extra 5% that you are getting is a little bit more compared to investing in the 13 terahash miner. So if you plan on using the auto reinvest feature, invest in your most powerful miner. for the best results. Tip number 2, make sure to continue to upgrade your miners for even faster growth. Do not simply turn on the auto reinvest feature and expect to get amazing results. So for example, this miner had 10 terahashes, and at the time it was earning 0.07 extra every single day. If I did not upgrade this miner whatsoever, let's see how much we would have received instead of the 3.45. We would have gotten only 2.1 extra terahashes. So 3.45 terahashes is way better than 2.1. The reason I got the 3.5 is because I continued to reinvest into my other miners. I continued to upgrade this miner right here. So treat the auto reinvest feature as a bonus. Do not solely rely on it to grow your mining farm. Don't get me wrong, it definitely helps, but upgrading and using the auto reinvest feature is much faster. If I were to continue this challenge for another 30 days or another 60 days or 90 days, I believe the results would be even better and I would accumulate even more terahashes. But let's be real, it is not perfect. Here are the cons. Con number 1, you don't cash out. All the Bitcoin that you would have earned will be automatically converted into power. So no Bitcoin in your wallet. But the goal is to upgrade now and cash out an even larger amount of Bitcoin later on. Con number 2, you have to be patient, especially if you plan on using this strategy for the long term. In the beginning, it starts out slow, but the more days you auto reinvest, the rewards continue to grow little by little. Here's the thing, auto reinvest is not about a quick win. It is about building a snowball effect that could get massive over time. Imagine running this strategy for 12 months straight. Every day your hash power will grow and every day your payouts will get bigger. Also, if you are new to the channel and you want to start mining Bitcoin with GoMining, I do have a link for them in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and make sure to use that promo code for an extra 5% off your miner. When we go over to the dashboard, you will see that my hashing power is continuously growing and the amount of Bitcoin that I'm receiving daily is trending upwards as well. Who knows where it will be in the next couple of months. So after 30 days, my takeaway is this: it is slow and steady, but over time it does build momentum and you will definitely see the results. So if you want quick cash, this strategy is probably not for you. But if you are here for long-term Bitcoin growth, this strategy might do wonders for your mining farm. Also, you'll be able to use this strategy multiple ways. You can auto reinvest for 1 week, cash out Bitcoin the next week, and then get GoMining tokens the 3rd week. You can alternate, you can play around with the numbers to see which strategy works best for your situation. And before I end this video, I quickly want to show you how to turn on the auto reinvest feature. Simply click on your profile and then when you scroll down, you are going to see reward setting. Click on that as well and then you'll be able to turn on the auto reinvest feature just like this, and then simply choose the miner that you want to auto reinvest into. So for example, if I choose my most powerful miner that has 48 terahashes, I'll be getting an extra 0.16 terahashes every single day. But check this out, if I choose my weakest one that has 4 terahashes, I will be only getting 0.15 terahashes. So choosing the most powerful miner will get you a little bit more power. Once you have selected which miner you want to auto reinvest into, simply exit out and then the following day the Bitcoin will automatically be reinvested into power into that particular miner. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you have any questions about this strategy or if you have any tips or ideas, drop those in the comment section below. If you want to start mining with the GoMining platform, the link will be in the description box below. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.